Hello everyone, welcome to today's assembly. How are you feeling about being back at school? Are you tired? Are you excited to see your friends? Or are you still feeling nervous about the pandemic? What always surprises me is that in many countries around the world the clocks change twice per year, but actually not in Hong Kong. In winter, when it's 7 p.m. in Hong Kong, it's 11 a.m. in England. And in summer, when it's 7 p.m. in Hong Kong, it's 12 p.m. in England. That's a difference of 1 hour. In the UK, during the summer, there are more hours of daylight. The days are lighter for longer. Conversely, in the winter, there are less hours of daylight and the days are darker much earlier in the evening. When British summertime begins, everyone moves their clocks forward by 1 hour. This is called putting the clocks forward. And when summertime ends in the autumn, everyone moves their clocks back by 1 hour. This is called putting the clocks back. But why do we do this? Well, a long time ago there was a man called William Willett, and he decided that people should make a better use of the longer hours of daylight in the summer. He also mentioned that we would use less candles and coal because people would have lighter evenings. Of course, there are good things and bad things about this. One of the good things is that there will be less traffic accidents because it's lighter throughout the day. But a bad thing is that in England, for example, the mornings are very dark, so children walk to school in the dark. A good way to remember this is that you spring forward and you fall back, and this is because fall in the American term is for autumn. So in the spring, clocks go forward an hour, and in the autumn they go back an hour. How would you feel about having to change the clocks twice a year? Can you think of any good things or not so good things about this? See you next time.